Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Marvel Rivals error code 10. The error message reads, "Unable to fetch account details." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to log into Marvel Rivals. Based on our research, the error is likely caused by connection issues, game launcher conflicts, or server problems. To deal with the error, first, restart your device along with your router. Then, ensure that Marvel Rivals is updated to its latest version. If there is a pending update, install it and check if the error still appears. Additionally, make sure that your gaming platform is also updated to its latest software version. If you are using the Epic launcher, keep it open while launching Marvel Rivals. Some players have found that the Epic launcher automatically closes when opening the Marvel Rivals launcher, which causes the error. To avoid this, reopen the Epic launcher quickly while the game is loading. If the error persists, next you can try clicking on the user agreement in the top right corner of the main menu. Some users have reported that doing this helped resolve the error. If the error continues and you are playing on Xbox, try changing your region. Some players have reported that switching to a different region allowed them to bypass the error. If switching the servers doesn't help, then try switching to a different internet connection. If possible, use your mobile hotspot to log in. Once you're in the game, try switching back to your normal internet connection. If the error persists over the other network too, and you're experiencing this issue on Epic Games, then try uninstalling the game and reinstalling it through Steam. Simply install Steam. Select Add a non-Steam game. Choose Marvel Rivals. Launch the game through Steam. Then check if the error still comes. If you are still getting the error, check if it is a server-related issue. Many users have reported the error happening at the same time, which suggests that the issue could be on the end of the game, Microsoft or Xbox servers. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.